Are you an owner of a small business and you want to create a logo? And you know that the logo is very important for any business or any firm. So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can create a logo without using any pro versions, and you can make it on a free version. So the name of this application or a website is Canva. So in today's video, I will tell you how you can create a logo on Canva. So let's get started. On any browser, search for Canva and open it. Now, though you can buy the Canva Pro Access, but in today's video, I will tell you how we can use the templates for free. Now on this home page, click on this Create a Design button on the top right. Type logo on the search bar and you will find plenty of options like logo, animated logo, Twitch, YouTube and so on. But in today's video, we are going to create a simple logo. So we will pick a logo option. Moving on, you will find a lot of templates on this page. Well, the templates will be the pro sign as well on the bottom, but we have to select any free version of the template. So once selected, we will edit the name of the logo. So simply double click on the text to select them and change them. You can select all at once to change their size and positions as well. Well, you are absolutely free to play with the effects and explore more options. Now change the color of the font. After this, click on the position button to edit the background of the logo. Here you will find the options to edit the background as well. You can delete the background, you can animate the logo, or you can adjust the size of it. Now you will see a Canva Assist button on the bottom left of the page. Click on it. You will find some additional options to put your creativity into the logo. Here I have found a triangle. Let's see what else I can do with it. That's all. Now you can click on the share button, select download, pick your file type, and you are done. So in this way you can create a logo, a free logo by using Canva. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.